Hi, it's Busy here with my weekly vlog. As you know, maybe all of you that watch this, if any of you are watching, this is the second piece in a three-part series about what it was like, what happened, and what it's like today. And last week I talked about what it was like, and so this is today it's what happened. And for those of you out there that want to know if something happened that was major and tragic and dramatic, the answer is no. What happened? I woke up one morning after drinking the night before. And of course, I'd started at 4 o'clock, big deal. It was 5 o'clock somewhere in the world. And I started drinking and I had dinner and there were people around me for a while. And then towards the end of the night, everybody had gone to bed. And I was there, me, by myself, sitting on the end of a dock of a bay, with a bottle of wine, pack of smokes, cell phone, and it was the loneliest, saddest feeling ever. I woke up the next day, hungover to kill a bear, because that's how I got hangovers. I was like, bleh. I almost wanted to die. I've actually been hospitalized for hangovers, if you can imagine that. And I got up and I said, you know what? I don't want to do this anymore. I don't want to do this anymore. I don't want to do this anymore. And I think it was finally the way that I looked at myself and the way I felt, which was just utter disgust and remorse. And if anybody out there watching this can totally relate. I mean, I totally just felt like I wanted to die. And I felt so ashamed and remorseful of what I'd done the night before. And again, it was nothing dramatic. There was no metal around my wrist. There was no police behind me. There were no sirens screaming. There were no lights everywhere. It was just me. And I finally realized that, gosh, I don't want to feel like this anymore. I don't want to feel this self-loathing and this self-hate anymore. It was like that finally trumped the shame of what I felt, what others were going to judge me about. I was like, I need help. And what did I do? I reached out and I asked someone for help. I called someone that I know that had previously had a problem with alcohol and said, hey, I think I have a problem. And they're like, you're finally going to be the person that's going to give up finally give this stuff up. And I was like, yeah, I am. I need help. I can't do this anymore. I can't feel like this anymore. I feel so bad. Now, this was no different than any other time. I think the only thing that was different that I was actually picked up that phone and made that phone call and said, hey, I need help. And I said I needed help. And the person said, you know what? If you want help, this is what you're going to do. And I did it. And I did it. And since then, I've been busy living sober and having a life beyond my wildest dreams, which I will get into more next week. Until then, be well, take care, sober not ashamed, busy living sober. Take care, bye.